Toyota is bringing something fresh and tough to its commercial lineup with the all-new Land Cruiser Commercial. This model is based on the passenger version of the Land Cruiser, but has been smartly converted at Toyota's United Kingdom manufacturing facility to serve as a practical and capable workhorse. With its robust build and off-road ready attitude, it fits perfectly into the needs of professionals who want durability and prestige without compromising everyday usability. The rear seats have been removed and a full-height metal bulkhead has been added, separating the cargo area from the cabin. There is also a hard-wearing floor tray and steel panel inserts to block out rear windows. The result is a practical, secure load space offering up to 2,000 liters of cargo capacity. It can handle a payload of 810 kilograms and tow up to 3.5 tons with confidence. You get all of this with the comfort and advanced features typically reserved for passenger vehicles. From heated seats to dual-zone climate control and a power tailgate, the Land Cruiser Commercial feels more like a premium sport utility vehicle than a stripped back work van. There is also a 9-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone connectivity, and Toyota's latest suite of safety and driver assistance systems. Under the hood, it packs the same 2.8-liter engine found in the standard Land Cruiser, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission with full-time all-wheel drive. Off-road tech includes crawl control and downhill assist control to help you tackle the toughest trails. Set to go on sale August 1st, 2025, with delivery starting in September. This versatile model is priced at £51,729.17 on the road. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates like this.